Hi everyone, this is Cody with Elevate My Brand, and in this EMBiz video, I want to talk about putting your business on TikTok. Give you a couple of tips. The first thing is, if you're not already on TikTok, when you set up your account, make sure it is a business account. This is critical because if you do not set up a business account and TikTok sees that you are a business, then you will be banned from TikTok. So it is of critical importance that you set up a business account on TikTok. Now, there are some downsides to being a business account, like you can't use certain sounds that are commercial, etc. However, you really don't have any choice. You have to set up a business account. So make sure that's number one tip for you. Number two, brand your profile. Make sure that you're setting up your QR code colors, your name, your profile picture, your link. All of that needs to be as branded as possible to create the best possible branded experience for your customers on TikTok. They need to know who you are, what you represent, what you look like, no matter where you're interacting with your audience. So the second step is to brand your profile. Now, the third thing is to think through your content. Now, we've talked about content on TikTok and other videos, but I want to break it down into two buckets. So if you are a product-based company, then make sure that your TikTok videos showcase your products. One of the ways to do that is to do brand partnerships, to talk to different influencers, etc., to get user-generated content. Now, user-generated content is incredible. Make sure you're sharing what other people are creating on your behalf, etc. But when you create your own content, make sure you're showcasing your products, but make sure you're doing it in a sort of edutainment sort of way, right? So people are not following you on TikTok necessarily to buy your product. They want to be invested in who you are and what you do. So make sure that you are using your products in interesting ways. One of my favorite examples is Scrub Daddy. Their TikTok is incredible. You never really even see them using it to clean dishes or anything else. You just see them hopping on viral trends and using their product in fun ways because that's how you connect with the audience who's on TikTok. And then the other side, if you are service-based, make sure you're showing your unique selling proposition as a service-based company. So whatever you do, if you're service-based, it's largely driven by people. So make sure you show your people, show the benefits of your service and all of that, but ultimately what they want to connect with you on is the people who's going to be providing that service. So show behind the scenes, show your values and your team, do some fun exercises, but never forget that TikTok is all about connecting and being fun. So think about that when you set up your account and start thinking through your content.